How can you be spending for a lady that you don't know and you have not seen the twins and you have been spending money on that lady? Can that be possible? Well, let me greet my correct people out there. I greet you all according to your time. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys for always coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you're highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell on in case of any time just upload any video, any update. You will be the first person to notify, and also follow us on our social media platform, Facebook page and Instagram. Yes, my wonderful people, I don't see come back again with another gist, but this gist, the gist not too clear. We go try to explain our Nigerian artist Harry according to him, my people, because this modern life, man will just say, the man wife will get belle for, or even side chick self go get belle. You don't go even see the pregnancy, and you don't go even see the kids. And the lady will just call you, say, he born twins without you yourself. You don't even see the picture of all those twins. And as a man, where you be, where himself be, you just spend money for inside darkness. My people, this kind of thing still they exist. Where social media of everything, even say even say maybe like he know the lady through social media, at least Facebook message are there many way person will take contact. You'll see the person. How can a lady will just call you say in get belle? You not see the belle, and you yourself as a man where himself be, you dey spend money inside that kind thing. Baby, he himself na just or there be he not just understand or wetin dey go on with him. Because my people, this kind of thing, me I never even see am. Because this screenshot one and the see so, I believe say that was years ago. This very screenshot one and the see so, where the guy take welcome the twins, and now the guy can still come out again say he want address the issue, my people. Now that one can even surprise me, say wetin dey go on. A woman will call you, say he get belle, maybe he himself know the girl through somebody or through social media. People they do that kind of thing. Now people they see true love through social media. That will not be problem. But a woman will come call you, say he get belle for you, and the lady can't even call you, say she herself deliver twins. You don't see the tummy, you don't see the belly, you don't see the twins. You always spend money inside that kind darkness. Well, according to him, he said that addressing this issue, I am not Baba twins or Daddy Ejima. There was never any twins anywhere. That lady never give birth. She lied and was just eating my money. My first child is Davina. My people, Atuna here waiting himself, right? Okay, he himself just dey spend money for something where he himself no even see whether na real. Before man go meet woman say they'll come do kelewa, at least you go definitely you know the lady. You get the lady phone number and everything. Okay, the lady can't even say he get belle for you. You know, even try to even see the pregnancy and the twins. Or my people, because this something get as a be. This video where una dey see so, na himself come still post this very one where my people, me I read wetin himself write for this post. Now go even see, and I believe say this baby wey dey with him. So this particular video one I dey watch so na be Davina, because when me I read, he said that I have been waiting for this moment to hold you in my arms. Welcome home, Davina. We love you. Public announcement on the 7th of January is Davina visitation day. Come shop, drink and party. Come with Davina gift too. I'm just excited. Then be waiting himself talk for this new I believe say new this baby. So well, my people, because it's something it get as a bit, because how can a man wey himself just be man will just say you dey spend for lady, the lady wey you dey spend for, and the lady can't even tell you say get belle, you don't see the belle, you don't see anything, you just spend for that. I know say some ladies dey wey dey old man with pregnancy, maybe along the line they fit come tell the man say they just miscarry, that kind thing. Yes, that kind thing dey exist, and which lot of people dey do that kind thing, but not to that extent that the lady come even call you say she deliver twins, and the twins now you know see the twins for eye, and you yourself just dey pump money for something wey you no see. How come this kind thing happen, this modern life wey we dey so? How? Because the something e no too clear. E no too clear. E fit be say or maybe the lady in question get belle for another man, or maybe some lady dey like that. After they get belle for another person, they'll come carry the belle come give their husband or even their boyfriend. E fit be say na that kind thing happen to this our Nigeria singer Harry. So before, I believe say before man say he wan spend for that child, because you know say yes, you trust that lady, that make you go there. Okay, you wan spend for your baby mama or your wife, whether the lady in question, whether na im baby mama or na just side chick or all those kind of thing, I don't really know, because na according to him I take dey judge this matter. He just dey spend from lady wey are the hey my people, and he said that the lady just dey chop im money without he no see the twins. My people, because this matter even me myself, the matter not too clear for me. E be like all those television wey not too clear. Na so this matter just be. Him na popular Nigeria singer, artist for that matter. My people, na just say that kind thing wey dey happen, abi himself just come frame that kind thing up, abi because me I no understand this kind thing wey a man will just say him dey spend for woman, along the line the lady wey you dey spend for, no be you get that kiss, and since then he just dey take care of twins wey himself never even meet, whether na him get am or no be him get am. He just dey pop money for inside something wey himself never even see with him two eyes. How about my people? The something e get as e be for real. Even maybe they no dey together, at least social media dey there, WhatsApp dey there, wey yes they go do video together, see the kids. Nothing like that. He just dey spend the money, you dey spend for the woman, and my people, they say something dey inside town for real, and he himself still dey claim, and the guy was claiming papa twins before, not knowing that no be him even get the twins. My people, this one na scam. They just scam him. They scam person, my people, to this extent say the person will come scam person will just come tell you, just wake up, say him get twins for you, and the twins wey the person claim say him get for you, you no see the twins for your eye. Nothing. You just dey spend. My people, the tori get as e be na make me first talk am for the beginning, say I go try to explain, because me I never see this kind thing before, wey man just dey spend for woman, and the woman tell you say him get twins for you, you no see the twins wey you dey spend money for. And me I no understand, my people. Me I no understand. Well, my people, wetin una still see, wetin una still think of, make una still leave una comment in the comment section down below, and see you guys on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye bye.